Welcome to Delicious Today. So today I'm just gonna go over with you guys like just some behind the scenes of me working on some of the things for my business. So it's not gonna be a tutorial, but I'm gonna be showing you some of the things I have been designing and making to add to my shop. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So if you guys haven't noticed about my latest videos, I have moved my laser engraver to the garage. So I have it in here. I've been working on a few things. I've been working on like some bookmarks. So I made them in wood and some in acrylic. And now I'm working on making ornaments. So here's an example of a wood one that I did. And I just wanted to see, since you know the acrylic only comes in one color, we can get it in like different type of colors, but I wanted to see like if I made it with wood, you can paint it and you can make it uniquely your own. So right now I'm working on doing an acrylic version of the ornament in red, and then I already made one in black. And then I plan to use like these little pieces of wood that I found for cheap at like Michael's and make some wood ones. Just to see how they turn out. This is like a thinner piece of wood. I usually use thicker, but I usually try to do like my tests and stuff on the thinner, cheaper pieces of wood. So this one just got finished. This is on the red acrylic. Okay, so I'm going to make one more ornament and then I'm going to do the backing. So there's 3 of them that I'm making right now. So I'm going to do 1 and then 3 for the backings. And I'm just going to show you guys how you can mark 3 different areas and then you can have them all cut at the same time. So just line them up on there how you would like them. I'm just going to try to make sure they're all on here even. I'm going to shut this so you guys can get the light or see the light. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the distance real quick. So I'm gonna hit the distance button. Okay, so I'm gonna mark each one of these. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mark each one from the top left corner and the bottom right. And then you're gonna go to xTool, create a space, and you're gonna hit end marking after you do each one. So this is how it should look once you're done. You have all 4 squares marked. So I'm gonna push end marking and done. So then it's gonna show the 4 squares on the honeycomb, and I'm just gonna place each one of the ornaments inside. So it looks like this one might be too big. I'm going to try to rotate it to see if I can get it to stay inside of here. So I rotated it to make sure it stays inside of there because it doesn't look like it was going to go good going the way that it was. So then once you have everything in place, I just verify that everything is on cut. I verify that it's set on this plywood. And I verify these ones are ignore. And then I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to turn my fan on and I'm going to push process and start. So then you guys will see that it's going to cut each one of these. So this one, the first one at the top is the actual ornament, and then the rest are the backings. So I'll come back when it starts working on there so that you guys can see how you can do multiple ornaments or whatever at once without having to do them one at a time using the feature I just showed you. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's done and it did all 4. this will go like this. And let me grab the other one, so I'll turn off the fan. So these are the other two. I'm gonna have to work on the design a little bit because I saw some stuff that was missing or didn't cut correctly. But either way, you just have to clean this off, of course, because I don't know if you guys can see the little white marks on there. Probably not on the camera. But then you can just make them be like this. Then you can have your backings, and you can paint those or whatever color. So here, I just put all the finished bookmarks that I made, and I just found like a little container, and I just put them all in here. So I did a bunch of different ones, and like I said, I used some black acrylic, some of this red acrylic, and some wood. And then like this is another example of a wood one, and then I just painted it just to see if you want to just make it unique. So I'll show you guys the process I did, some of the process I did for make these bookmarks. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made these or designed these, and then also how I designed the ornaments, I think at least for the ornaments, I do have a couple of videos I think I made where how I design the ornaments and how I go about testing them on the different materials and stuff. Most of the time I just use the material settings that are set on the xTool creative space, because I don't use Lightburn or anything. I just use what came with the engraver when I got it. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you like to see more stuff like this of me just showing kind of like behind the scenes of the things that I'm doing, then just let me know down below in the comments. Either way, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and take care and stay blessed. See you guys later.